This is a quick look at this handcrafted carbon steel Chinese wok from Craftwork. It's really well made. It's nice and heavy. The wok itself weighs almost 4 pounds, about 3.5 pounds, so it's got a good weight to it. You can see that it's handmade. It's got some hammering marks you can see during the manufacturing process. These are riveted attachment points here. They're not screwed in. The handle is screwed in. There's a couple screws here that hold this wood handle in here. But this is a very nice soft feeling handle. It's sanded down really well. And it's got a riveted side handle here as well, like a loop handle. Overall, this wok is just really well made. So it's a great addition to your kitchen. There is a couple different versions. This is the 12-inch version, and it's 12 inches in diameter. And it is 12 inches in diameter at the top, so your base is quite a bit smaller. Your base is about 5 inches. The handle overall is about 8 inches. So that should give you a good idea of the dimensions of it. It's really made to be used on gas stoves or stoves that don't have a flat surface, like an electric induction type of stove. You don't want to use that with that. So it's made more to be cradled on a burner or an outdoor cooking stove, something that's got some stability, that's powered by gas or propane. It's not meant for electric. The thickness of the metal is meant to last a long time as a kitchen utensil. There is some maintenance with this. You're going to want to wash it every single time that you use it, dry it, and then put some oil on it to keep it from rusting because it is steel. This is carbon steel, so you do have to make sure that you maintain it. Overall, just a great product. Looks great, feels great,